Hi there, I'm Howdy. This is just another video of me solving random linear problem. So we need to find the square root of x here without using any built-in function. So given a non-negative x, we return the square root of x, write it down to the nearest integer. The return integer should be non-negative as well. Right. So if we have like any number, then the square root of it, right, always gonna be between like 1 and 4, and the number divided by 2. Right. So taken like any number, the square root will not never gonna be more than the number itself divided by 2. Right. So for example, in this case, 8, right? 8 squared is 64. It's always larger than number. So because of that, right, we can use by binary search. So for example, we're finding 16, right? Let's say 16. So we're gonna check between so if the number is less than 2, right? We can just return the number itself. Return 1. So we can start from 2 and so 16 divided by 2 is 8, right? So I'm gonna have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have it is a middle number, right? So left, middle, and right. Right. So 5 squared is 25. 25 is larger than 16, right? So you move right equal to middle minus 1. Do it again. 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 is smaller than 16. So left equal to middle plus 1. So now this is our mid, right? Right. So 4 squared, 16, right? Equal to 16. So we return 4. Right? So what if it is 15 instead of 16? 15. Right. So we have 4 squared, 16, right? It's greater than 15. So we need to move to the left. The right equal to mid minus 1, right? Right. So now they right and left are overlap. So we have to return right, right? Because we want to route it down, not route it up. So using binary search, we can do it in log n. Okay. So if x is less than 2, we can just return x, right? Otherwise, you're gonna start from 2, right? And then x right equal to x divided by 2, right? And we need to floor that. Okay. So y left is less than or equal to right, right? We have to calculate our middle number equal to left plus math of 4 of right minus left divided by 2, right? So if mid multiplied by mid is equal to the number, right, which is x, we can return mid, right, which is the square root, right? Otherwise, we can increment the uh, we can increment x, increment the left or the right, right? So if the if the mid, right, is if mid multiplied by mid is larger than x, right, which means x is the target, so we need to move to, because it's larger, so we need to move to the left. So to move to the left, we need to update the right, right? Equal to mid minus 1. Otherwise, if it is smaller, then we need to move to the right. Right? We move to the right by updating the left, equal to mid plus 1. And then at the end, when we exit the while loop, we have to return right. So if we exit the while loop, which means that there's no exact square, right? Like the 15 in our case. So in that case, we need to return the right. Okay, and it worked. Thank you for watching.